I won't tell you no lie. I'm looking deeper inside. There's more to you than meets the eye. Yeah, no lies. I know that good things take time. Since you came into my life, being without you ain't right.
Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tita, and today we're gonna be making some Pollo Guisado. So basically this is some good chicken, guys. So we're gonna start off with medium heat on a deep pot. You're gonna add dark brown sugar with some olive oil. Mix that together inside your pot. Once it starts looking like this, you're gonna leave it a little longer until it starts bubbling, just like that. Then you're gonna add your chicken. I usually use drumsticks, but I didn't have those, so this is what we're using. Then once you have it on one side, you're gonna flip it onto the other side and let it get nice and toasty. Then you're gonna wanna add all your seasonings. But first, we gotta add some tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Give it some more flavor. So you dump that all in there. Give it a good little stir. Then you're gonna wanna add your sofrito. Your sofrito is that Latin-based sauce that we made in our previous video. If you did not watch that, go ahead and watch that so you can make it at home. Then we're gonna go ahead and stir it all up. Stir that pot real good. Then you're gonna add a lemon. You're gonna add a lemon and give us some acidity, you know, the juices. Then you're gonna add some chicken cubes. Once you add your chicken cubes, it's about maybe 3 tablespoons. So it goes 1, 2, and 3. Or maybe 2.5. You know, eyeball it. Then we're gonna add some pepper. And we're gonna do 1/2 tablespoon. Oregano, some cumin, paprika, Sazón. Give that all a good stir. You're going to chop up some potatoes and leave them in some water soaking. Then once you do that, you're going to check on your chicken. Make sure you take out all the air and give it a good stir. For this recipe, make sure you have a pressure cooker, which is what you see right here in this video. If not, you're gonna have to be there like for 6-7 hours making this recipe. So then you're gonna wanna put your potatoes in the pot once your chicken looks kind of like this. So you're gonna rinse your potatoes and put them in the pot and then give that a good stir. After you give it a good stir, you're going to want to close that up again. So we have the chicken on medium heat. We're going to keep it on medium heat. So after about maybe 20 minutes, you want to check your chicken and your potatoes. You're going to take it off the heat, undo the air, and then you twist off the top very carefully. So you're going to give it a good stir again, just see how the potatoes are looking, if they're looking good or not. So if they're not, you know, give it another 10 minutes. So this recipe won't take you longer than maybe an hour and 20 minutes. So that's really good. You just have to keep checking it so you don't burn it at the bottom. So here we're letting all that air out. Once it's out, it'll let you open it. If it's not out, it will not let you open it. But you have to be careful. So once you open it, all this steam's gonna come out. And it's pretty much looking good. We're checking it with the knife. Very easy to come off. So that's what we're looking for, tenderness. Then we're gonna add some vinegar. We're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then stir it up, let it cool. Then it's ready to serve. and enjoy. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video.